gang, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simpler Futures. So finally got a little pullback here in the equity space. I was actually looking for this to start yesterday, and I was a little early, but what I was looking for here from the August 18th, the Friday low there, till over here on the high, the September the 1st. What I did was to snap a fib on that, and we came back and tested the 50% mark of that run up. But I think more importantly, honestly, what we were looking for in here was to come back and test the price that the S&P was trading on the news, on the Gillette's job report of that Tuesday, which was back at about 44.50, and it did that. So this being the low for the week, and this being Wednesday, this having retraced a half back and tested that open, kind of area at which things were interrupted with that news catalyst, then target, honestly, on the retracement's been achieved. Not to say that it cannot go further. Certainly, I guess it could. I'll use line in the sand 44.64, and that's for tomorrow. And if lower, then headed bearish target 44.30 and 09. However, looking for that, honestly, to be the retracement, for that to hold, in which case starting to work its way back up towards this 4,500 level. Target's actually 45.10, but to work its way back up into and just kind of mull about the even 4,500 area as we head into a expiration and rollover and expiration series of next week. So that's really the plan here. Hope it kind of makes sense and helps a little bit. You guys have a good trade. Nice evening. Take care.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me